Wait, did Hyundai just solve the affordable electric car problem? The 2025 Hyundai INSTER is here, and trust me, this tiny electric marvel is about to shake up everything you thought you knew about budget EVs. At just £23,495, the INSTER is gunning for the Renault 5, Citroen EC3, and Dacia Spring. But here's the kicker: while everyone else is cutting corners, Hyundai packed this little beast with big car features that'll blow your mind. Let's talk looks first because wow, this thing is adorable. Those round headlights give it this friendly face that just screams approachable, while the high bonnet and curved panels make it look like a mini SUV that's ready for adventure. You get 10 color options, including two-tone paint with a black roof if you want to stand out even more. Step inside and prepare to have your expectations demolished. This interior is genius-level clever. Both front seats fold completely flat, but here's the party trick. On the 02 trim, those rear seats slide and fold flat too. You literally transform this into a tiny van, or even a camping pod. It's like Hyundai took the best ideas from expensive SUVs and crammed them into a city car. The tech game is strong too. You get dual 10.25-inch screens, over-the-air updates, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation all standard. The infotainment might not be Hyundai's latest, but it's miles ahead of what you'd expect at this price point. Now here's where it gets interesting. The INSTER comes in two flavors: standard range with a 42 kilowatt-hour battery giving you 203 miles of range, or long range with 49 kilowatt-hours stretching that to 229 miles. That's seriously competitive against rivals that barely crack 200 miles. But range means nothing if the car can't charge properly, right? Wrong worry here. The INSTER hits 85 kilowatts of charging speed on the long-range model, meaning you're looking at 30 minutes from 10 to 80%. Plus, every single model gets a heat pump standard, something most manufacturers charge extra for. Sure, it's not perfect. You only get 4 seats instead of 5, and with 95 horsepower in base trim, it's not winning any drag races. The 11.7 second 0 to 60 time won't excite speed demons, but around town, this thing is nippy and perfect for urban adventures. The real game changer is the warranty. 5 years unlimited mileage for the car, 8 years or 100,000 miles for the battery. Most rivals give you 3 years and wave goodbye. Here's my take. If you want the sportiest drive, grab the Renault 5. If you want the cheapest option, the Dacia Spring calls your name. But if you want the most clever, practical, feature-packed, affordable electric car that actually makes sense for real life, the INSTER just became your new best friend. At under 24 grand, this isn't just a great electric car, it's proof that affordable EVs don't have to suck. Hyundai just dropped the mic on the entire segment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.